Damn! I love when that happens. You didn't know your old friend the Crypt Keeper was the boo-it-yourself type, did you? I'm actually pretty handy with my little ghoul box. Here's a bookshelf I just finished for my library. Over there's a stand I made for my new big screen TV. And here's something else I've been working on. It's a nasty nugget about an unpleasant young man in the medicine biz who's about to get a dose of his own. I call tonight's tale, This'll Kill Ya. How about that, George? Talk about connecting with your friends. There, finished. So what do you think, kiddies? Beautiful, isn't it? I've always wanted a swing set. Just a little something for when I'm hanging out watching the news. See you next time. Now that's what I call well hung.